something doesn't go as planned.
Good luck. Oh no. I think Hallie just said he's going to lose his head in a second. Is that ping pong paddle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Slow down, buddy. He's not even ready.
I feel a little sick.
Who's sick? Heidi's sick. She's always sick. Oh, good aim, buddy. Use your eye. There you go. Now's the time. What if he went up and just got chopped that haircut? And he's in the loop. Nope, he's gone. Obviously he's in. We saw that. Are you okay? Do you need help? Okay. You cannot hear what we need to hear. Yes. What? Oh my gosh. Bless you. Shh. We cannot hear it. We can all count though. Oh my god, where'd he go? Amazing. Ah! It's amazing. He made it, and Simon's okay. He just tooted. Yay, bullseye! Winner, winner, chicken dinner!